Hello, welcome to Blue Bonnet channel. Please subscribe my channel, leave like my video, leave your comments. I'm the host, and today, and if you have a computers, one or two or more, and then crashes, shut down randomly, and you don't know why, and probably I can give you a reason because I have same issue. I almost fixed it, and so far so good. So and many cases and that kind of issue, if you do not know, I'm going to provide some information. And then many people complain and a system shut down randomly, crashes, and you may have a blue screen and it happened randomly. Okay, and but before decide determine the issue is falling into this category, make sure you are like a antivirus program routinely scanning your computer, make sure limit the chances of other reason. Okay, but if you try your best and you done an antivirus program running repeatedly, and you do your own maintenance well, still you don't know why, then probably one of the reason why, because of you have dust piled up your fan. And more importantly, I'm gonna have a lot of issue here shown. um, Even not clean inside of the computers, even your laptop has the same issue sometimes, and had an issue a long time ago with the computer. And I found the dust, the pile up dust, that's one of the reasons why. And I fix it by cleaning it internally. And this is one of the common situation. If you're not clean at least for 3 years, up to 5 6 years, it all the dust piled up, and you may have internal CPU fan and the system fan like this. And sometimes you clean up the other external fan, but more importantly, as you see, this must be cleaned. Okay, now I'll show you another. Yeah, see, and this is like never internal cleaning has been done more than 3 to 5 years, and this is typical situation. More importantly, as you see the CPU, because of this is heatsink, it will cool your CPU. But if the dust is piled up like this, fill up all over heatsink, the metal, that this is hinder that cooling cycle, because it's a piled up, build up filled up the gaps of the heatsink. So it's not a good sign, right? So let me see. So this is a part of the dust. This is after clean up. I clean up. You don't need to disassemble if you're not liking it, but still you can use the using a tissue or some small like utility knife, one of the plier that like a plier thing, or driver that you can dig up, right? And then or your wax cleaner, that kind of stuff. I use it everything. Then see, very clean look, not 100%, but of course I dig up all of the heatsink, much cleaner. Okay, so you have to disassemble, but normally there is screws here, one or two. You can open it easily, or if you don't know and you find your material manual and how to open, right? And then or ask your friend or friend member to do it for you. So I'm going to share all the link for you guys. Leave your comments, like my video, and if my video helped you a lot, then please don't forget subscribe my channel. And thanks again, and come back to you next time with an interesting topic. Thanks for watching.